All that kind, encouraging photography advice has led to a generation of lily-livered malingerers. Time for some tough love from Drill Sergeant Chris Niccolls.
Welcome back, you dumb f***s. Drill Sergeant Chris here, and today I'm going to teach you a fun little technique that you can use to make your photographs real pretty. Because I'm a kind and generous drill sergeant. In fact, they should call me Sergeant Swell, but in truth, they call me Sergeant Swole because I'm a gunny.
Sarge, I never see you work out.
Private Drake, I work out all the time, just ask your mother. Now this trick utilizes lens perspective, and here's how you do it. First off, let's try this. Get your subject really close to a wide angle lens like you can see here. What that'll do then is make the background or the attacker look very far away. Now for our next technique, what we're gonna try is to move the camera further away from our subject and zoom in. You can now see that Private Drake here is the same size in the frame from both shots. That is key, but now the attacker is right behind him. Look, he's got the icy cold grip of death upon him. Now you can use these techniques both in photo and video, and I think you can clearly see that these can dramatically change the relationship between your foreground and the background. Maybe lovely mountains or a beautiful wedding scene or video evidence of a sneaky assassin.
I'm alive.
A mistake I will soon rectify, Private Drake. Come over here.